Hello everyone, this is Neo and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be making a chatbot. This chatbot actually has a special name and we've called it Nimbus for no really special reason other than just for fun. But it is starting out as a very simple AI bot. It will be all available in the GitHub below. But in future videos, we are planning on doing more integration, such as more advanced systems like JSON data that it can be stored in, as well as also being able to become a bot on Discord. First, the code imports two things, the random library and the Jaro-Winkler similarity function from the jellyfish library. The former is used to randomly select responses from a set of predefined responses, while the latter measures the similarity between two strings. Next, the code defines a dictionary named responses. This dictionary contains 4 keys, each representing a category of user inputs that the program is designed to respond to. Under each key, there is a list of possible user inputs and a list of predefined responses. For example, under the key greetings, the program will be able to respond with one of the phrases in the corresponding responses list, if the user says hey, hello, or hiya. After the dictionary is defined, the code sets a threshold of 0.6, which is used later to determine if the program should respond with a predefined response or the default response. The program then enters an infinite loop where it waits for the user input. Once the user types in something and presses enter, the program compares the user input to the predefined inputs for each category in the responses dictionary using the Jaro-Winkler function. The category with the highest similarity score is selected as its best match. If the similarity score is greater than or equal to the threshold value, then the program will randomly select one of the responses and print it to the screen. Otherwise, if the similarity score is below the threshold, the program will randomly select a response from default saying it cannot understand. Overall, it is a very simple but effective way to make a chatbot, and it is very easy to manipulate and to add more data to make it more accurate. Now, if we run it, we can type in our inputs. And the neat part is we can misspell it and it will still understand. So for example, I could say uname, it would still understand. And if I was to put just some random gibberish, it wouldn't understand. If it's not specific enough and the threshold is not low, then it will still respond with the default response. However, you can change that by just lowering the threshold. However, this does cause accuracy to be very poor. But it'll still understand at certain points. That is all for this video. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. And please be sure to suggest any ideas for videos. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next one.